ServSafe Manager Test Practice Questions. Question 1. How should a food handler manage outdoor garbage surface? Gravel, concrete or asphalt, grass, dirt? Outdoor bins must sit on non-absorbent surfaces. Question 2. To ensure quality, danger zone temperature range must follow 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Bacteria grow rapidly between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 3. When training staff on handwashing station requirement, emphasize that signage, soap, paper towels, trash can. Stations must have water, soap, drying method, trash, and sign. Question 4. How should a food handler manage glove changing frequency? Once a day, every hour, every 4 hours, when they get wet. Gloves must be changed every 4 hours during constant use. Question 5. A violation of Listeria risk group standards occurs when healthy men, teenagers, children, pregnant women. Listeria is especially dangerous for pregnant women and fetuses. Question 6. The correct way to measure safe temperature for ground turkey is 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit. All ground poultry must be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 7. Standard operating procedures for norovirus source specify infected food handler, raw chicken, unwashed vegetables, dirty water. Norovirus is often spread by fecal-oral route from handlers. Question 8. In the context of food safety, imminent health hazard example involves sewage backup, dirty floor, out of stock, broken light. Sewage backup requires immediate closure. Question 9. The definition of minimum water temp for heat sanitizing, sink, in the FDA Food Code is 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 171 degrees Fahrenheit 77 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Items must soak in 171 degrees Fahrenheit water for 30 seconds to sanitize. Question 10. Which is a key component of cross-contact definition? Bacteria touching food, allergens touching other food, physical hazards in food, chemicals in food. Cross-contact specifically refers to the transfer of allergens. Question 11. The primary concern with fingernail requirement is short and unpolished, painted red, acrylic, long. Nails must be short, clean, and unpolished. Question 12. What is the main goal of self-service protection? Fans, lids, sneeze guards, gloves. Sneeze guards prevent contamination in buffets. Question 13. A health inspector will look for temperature for hot holding to be 150 degrees Fahrenheit 66 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit 60 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees Fahrenheit 49 degrees Celsius, 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius or higher. Hot food must stay at 135 degrees Fahrenheit or above. Question 14. To prevent illness, MSDS purpose must be work schedules, inventory lists, food recipes, chemical safety info. Material safety data sheets, now SDS, provide chemical safety details. Question 15. A manager must ensure that FIFO stands for is handled by first in, first out, first inventory, first order, food in, food out, fast in, fast out. FIFO ensures older stock is used first. Question 16. What is the main goal of air gap requirement? Prevents backflow, filters water, cools water, increases water pressure. An air gap is the only way to reliably prevent backflow. Question 17. A manager must ensure that non-typhoidal Salmonella source is handled by cats, flies, wild birds, farm animals. Farm animals carry non-typhoidal Salmonella. Question 18. A manager must ensure that foodborne illness outbreak definition is handled by 1 person sick, 2 or more people with same symptoms, 10 people sick, everyone in the restaurant sick. An outbreak involves 2+ people from the same food. Question 19. Documentation for internal temp for roast beef must include 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius for 4 minutes, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Roasts require 145 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 minutes for safety. Question 20. Which detail is essential for reheating TCS food temperature? 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 68 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. TCS food for hot holding must be reheated to 165 degrees Fahrenheit.